In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace. Complete tutorial, 5 minutes. We'll walk through the initial setup and finish with the essentials you'll use every day, keeping everything clear and straightforward. First, head to the Google Workspace website. On the homepage, choose Get Started or Start Free Trial. This begins a 14-day trial and opens a guided setup. You'll be asked for your business name, the number of employees, and your region. This helps Google tailor features, pricing, and legal requirements to your location, and it sets the default language and currency. Next, decide whether to use a domain you already own or purchase a new one. If you use an existing domain, make sure you have access to your domain registrar because you'll need to update DNS settings shortly. If you buy a new domain here, it will be connected automatically. Create your administrator username and password. This account is your master key for managing users, security, billing, and apps. Choose a professional admin name, store the credentials securely, and consider turning on two-step verification for extra protection. Now verify your domain ownership. Google will give you a verification method, usually a TXT record, to add at your domain host. Paste it exactly as shown, save, then return to the setup screen and continue once it's detected. DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate. Activate Gmail by updating your MX record, so email for your domain routes to Google. Follow the exact values provided and remove any old MX records from previous providers. Plan this change during a low traffic period and allow time for email routing to fully switch over. In the admin console, add any additional users you need, assign roles, decide who gets admin privileges, and send new users their login details. You can always add or suspend users later. Create free email aliases to keep your inbox organized. For example, you might set up shared or role-based addresses that deliver to your main account without needing extra licenses. Choose a subscription plan to continue after the trial. Compare storage, security, and meeting limits, and pick monthly or annual billing based on your needs. Before we wrap up, get familiar with the key apps: Gmail for professional email, Google Drive for files and shared folders, Calendar for scheduling and resource booking, and Google Meet for secure video calls. Finally, remember the admin console is your central hub for user management, security settings, groups, devices, and organization-wide policies. That's your complete Google Workspace setup end to end.